you know that OCA means volatilities, uncertainties, complexities, and ambiguities. As per second chapter, a sensitive analysis, all decisions that business managers take are forward-looking. The decision need to based on expected values to the correct information is not available regarding the future. So certainties cannot be avoided in the business decisions. Sensitive analysis is a statistical tools that are determine how consequently deviation from expected values. Sensitive analysis deal with finding out amount by which we can change the input data and output data our linear program models to remaining compatibility and changes. It helps to determine the sensitivity of data we supply the problems. It helps to determine optimum levels of each outputs. As per application of the OCA applications, as per applications, the estimation of the cash inflows are based on the assumptions about the economy, competitors, consumer tastes, preferences or changes, constant the cost and taxes will be changes. The total possibilities of assumption. One the first thing the managers have considered about estimation is how sensitive that they are these assumptions. For example, if you sell 2 million units instead of the 3 million units first year, the project will be still profitable. Or the government increasing taxes and rates, the project will be attractive. Need for the sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis supporting decision making to the development of recommendation for the decision makers. Enhance the communication from the moderators to decision makers. The increasing understanding or quantifications of the systems. Model development of the systems. Next. Risk uncertainties of capital budgeting. Risk denotes variable of possible outcomes from what expected. Standard deviation is perhaps the most commonly used tool to measurement risk. It measures the dispersions surrounding the mean some possibilities of outcomes. If the investors are risk avenue, the management shall be duty beyond the select investment proposal after doing a careful analysis of the risk associated. Because investment proposal contain different degrees of business risk, it is necessary to analyze not only their expected profitability but also the possible terms of depression, the profitability distribution to the possible net presented values or possible internal rate of returns is measured to standard deviation. Consider an example single project which can be independent from the periods the following accounts. The periods profitabilities net cash flows, period 2 profitability net cash flows, period 3 profitability net cash flows. 0.01 net cash flow 3000, 0.25 4000, 0.3 30 5000, 0.25 6000, 0.10 7000. And the period 2 profitability 0.10 2000, 0.25 3000, 0.30 4000, 0.25 5000, 0.10 6000. And period 3 profitability 0.10 2000, 0.25 3000, 0.30 4000, 0.25 5000, 0.10 as 6000. Independently cash flows from period to period implies that outcome period T denotes not does not depend upon the happened in the period T1. As we have noticed the several projections of the same period having different profitabilities attached to themselves. Multiple profitabilities along with multiple projections of the cash flows with the result NPVs and IRS. The meaning of the proposal profitable distribution possible present values are calculating using the formula NPV is equal to sigma t is equal to 1 to n a of t whole a bar by 1 plus r of f whole to the power of t, where a a of t is equal to expected net cash flows when t, r of f is equal to risk free rate, and n is number of period over the cash flows. As per we use the risk of free rate returns as per we risk rate. We use risk free rate, the rate of discount, because our immediate take a task to assign to riskness of investment, because if we need to isolate the time of money, if in case we include the premium of risk discount rate where the cost flows are changes, the standard deviation will be flow. The standard deviation of the formula will definitions. Sigma is equal to root of sigma n is equal to t to 1, t is equal to 1 to n sigma t whole square by 1 plus r of whole to the power of 2, and for sigma t is equal to standard deviation of the net cash flows in the period t. In the example above, standard deviations is possible net cash flows in the period 1 and 2 and 3 1.140 using risk rate 6%. Standard deviation of the shall work to out of the 1.761. Also, if we employ the same risk free rate return equation, the meaning of probability distribution NPV is equal to as per 1.635, assuming normal profitability distribution. If the possible profitability, the investment proposing providing more or less the specific amounts. As per cash flows, the perfectly correlations among the depend upon the cash flows t plus 1 depend upon the period t. Perfect correlation is said exit. The same case in the such cases, standard deviation using the formula is equal to sigma is equal to t is equal to 1 to n sigma t by 1 plus r whole to the power of r of whole to the power of t. In case the standard deviation from the data is given table 1, assuming correlation as per shall arriving 3.407 and significance of the higher than 1.4761 computed as a serial of independence. Cash flows moderately correlation over the time. In case of the cash flows, where the cash flows are moderately correlation over the time, the standard deviation is computed as per calculation. Sigma is equal to root of sigma t is equal to 1 to n NPV t minus NPV bar whole to the power of square into p of I, where NPV whole to the power of t, NPV of the t is equal to net present value of the t net cash flows covering the all periods. NPV means net present value proposal, and t is equal to profitability occurrence of the specific values. The methods of the incorporate risk into the net capital budgeting as broadly category of the risk in capital budgeting, risk discount period as per certain equalities approaches, other methods, scenarios, sensitivity analysis, simulation analysis, decision tree analysis. Risk adjustment methods. Risk adjusted discount rate method. The use of risk adjusted discount rate is based on the concept that investors demand high returns from the risk projects. It requires return of returns on any investment should including compensation for delaying, compensation equal to risk-free rate returns plus compensation for kind of take risk rate. In case the risk association with the investment proposal higher than the involved the similar kind of the project discount rate upward the compensation additional risk of the bond. After After determining appropriate requiring of the return risk rate, projects are given levels of risk discount of the following as this usual say. As per following uses of the as for following uses of the where f of r of k is equal to I plus n plus t of k, whereas I is equal to risk-free rate of interest, n is equal to adjustment of firm's normal risk, d of k is equal to adjustment in different risk of project k, r of k is equal to firm cost of capital, dk, and that means dk means adjustment different risk rate project positive or negative depend upon the how the risk is project under the considered comparison with exceeding risk of the firms. Adjustment for different as per k project management for the top. The project mean risk adjustment with NPVs and sensitive analysis. Also as what if analysis. Till now in our analysis we have assumed that quantitative factors in the investment decisions is that cash inflows, outflows, cost of capital, and duration of the project are known with certainty, whereas rarely happens. Sensitive analysis helps to overcome this problem. It should be noted sensitive analysis can be applied to variety of planning activities, not just to capital budgeting decisions. The analysis determines how the distribution of possible NPV or internal rate of project under conditions is affected consequent to changes in one particular input variables. This is done to change one variable at one time while keeping other variable factors unchangeables. Sensitive analysis beginning in base case situations, the developing using expected values in the each input, the providing decision with the whole range. What if the questions? As per know, the seeing the diagrammatic capital of you see in the capital we see in the picture of the diagrammatic you can observe discount rate, cost of capital, NPV, price, market size, percentage deviation from expected values, where the expected values 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, as per negative 1000, 2000, as per comparatively expected values 5, 10, 15, 10, 25, as per negative values 0, -5, -10, -15, -20, -25. Sensitive analysis is usually because the simplicity and ability to focus on the particular estimations. It is widely to by bankers while the evaluation projects are findings. Advantages of the sensitivity analysis. Critical issues. The analysis identify critical factors that are impacting of the project success or failures. Simplicities. As per analysis is quite too simple. Disadvantage of the sensitive analysis. Assumption of independence. This analysis assumes that variables are independent that are not related to each other, which unlikely in real life. Ignore probabilities. The analysis does not look the probabilities of changes. Not so reliable. This is analysis provide information the basics which are decisions can be made but not point directly the correct relations. As per introduction of the financial derivatives as the chapter of the second unit. Financial derivatives. Financial markets are by the nature extremely volatile, and hence the risk factors is an important concern of the financial agent. To reduce this risk, the concept of derivatives comes to in the picture. Derivatives are products whose values are derived from one to other basic values called bases. The basis can be underlying assets, forex, equities, basis reference rates. For example, when the farmer may wish to sell their harvest at the future date, the eliminated the risk change prices that day. The transaction will be change. The meaning and needs. Meaning and needs. The term derivatives instruments is generally accepted to mean financial instruments with a payoff structures determined by the value of an underlying securities, commodities, interest rates, or index. The term derivatives indicates that is has no independent value. That is, values is entirely derived from the values of the cash assets. The derivative contract or product simply derivative to sharply destination the underlying cash assets. The assets brought, sold, the cash markets are normal derivatives terms. The need of derivatives market functions of the derivatives as a they help to the transferring risk from risk awareness people to risk orientation people. They help to discover the of future as well as current prices. The catalyze entrepreneurial activities. The increasing the volume traded market because the participation of the risk awareness peoples of the other. The increasing saving the investment is long run. Factors driving the growth of financial literacy: increasing volatilities in the asset price in the market in the financial market, increasing integration of national financial market with the international market improvement in communication facilities and sharp decline their cost, development of more strategic risk management tools, providing economic agents a wider choice of risk management strategies, involvement in the derivatives market, and combination of the risk markets. As per growth of the derivatives markets in India, the first step towards introducing the derivatives pricing trading in India was Securities Laws 1990 Ordinance 1994, with prohibited the options and the securities. The market derivatives take off the regulations framework. The government trading SPA SEBI's set of 24 members committees under the Dr. L.C. Gupta November 18, 1996 developed the appropriate regulation frameworks of derivatives trading in India. As committee submitted report March 17, 1998, the prescribed of preconditions derivatives trading in India. As per securities, as per SEBI's regulation exchange traded the products, index futures, index options, futures on individual securities, options on individual securities, underlying instrument S&P as CNX Nifty, S&P CNP Nifty, as per 30 securities stimulated by SEBI's, 30 securities stimulated by SEBI's. As per type, European option uses and options are uses and index option uses only for European, and options are individual securities used for America. Trading cycles as per near month, mid month, and per month durations. Same of the index futures, same of the index futures, same of the index futures. Expire date last Thursday of the expire dates, same as index futures, same as index futures, same as index future. Contract says predetermine the lot of size 200 and multi, therefore same index futures as multi by NSE 2 lakhs rupees, less than 2, not less than 2 lakhs rupees, not less than 3 lakhs, based on the base prices first day of trading, previous day collection Nifty values, the theoretical values of options contract arriving based on the B school methods, previous days on the closing values of underlying securities, same index option, basing substance, price operating 10% as per quality freezes 2000 units to 20,000 units and 20,000 units of the types of derivatives. As per types of derivatives, swaps, the subject says swaps, options, futures, forwards. As swaps are interest rate rates, currency, options is put or call option, future commodities, and forward securities. Forward. A forward contract is customized contract between two entities where the settlement take places on a specific date. The future today's pre-agreement prices. And futures. A future contract is an agreement between two parties to buy or sell an asset a certain time in the future at a certain price. Future contract are special type of forward contract in the sense of the former are standardized exchange traded contracts. Options are two types: call and put option. Call is given the buyer and the right obligation to buy quantities underlying assets to given as per given price or they before given future days. Puts is given buyers the right but not obligation to sell quantities underlying the price before the given dates. Swaps are private agreement between two parties to exchange cash flows and futures according pre-arrangement formulas. They can be regarding portfolios forward contracts to commodities uses of swaps. Swaps are interest rates entail swapping only the interest rate cash flows between the parties are same currencies. Currency swaps the essential swapping both for principal and interest rate between the parties. The cash flow, the duration of the which different currencies are there. Swapations are option to buy or sell swap that will be become operating at the expiry of the options. Thus, swapping the options are forward swaps rather than call or put. The swapping market has receiving swapping, the pairs swapping. The receiver swapping of or receiving fixed pay floating rates. The pair swaps in the options are pay fixed and receiving floatings. Regulations framework derivatives trading of India. The SEBI Advisor Committee on Derivatives has proposed as a set of measurement to improve liquidity in the market. The measurement, once approved, SEBI board would be permitted financial institutions instrument participations in the derivatives products. All institutions limited short selling upon their exposure to derivatives market. The introduction of the stock market in margin tradings, the committees all suggested that the bank funds could be channeled through stock exchange, certain house corporations are allowing derivatives market. One, the measurement of the approved implementation effectively liquid the substitutionally boosting the improve overall the market settlements. Bank participation in the derivatives access of the financial institutional instruments which are present allowed to trade only in the index future to all derivatives product need to the approval by Reserve Bank of India. The success most of the intimations depends upon the effective stock borrowing and lending mechanism that they are national-wide infrastructure, electronic funds transfer and checkbooks, receiving proceeding of check pools and short seller funds. Those days. SEBI regulations of financial ministers, RBI tradings. Next, turnaround strategies.